Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nursofi Alia Binti Shahrul Anuar and my metric number is 202692. I am a Bachelor of Agriculture and Biosystem Engineering. So my partner Iza and I will present to all of you about the positive effects of agriculture on the environment. And the question is, how does the agriculture affect the environment in a positive way? So we will explain to all of you on how it works. But before I proceed, I would like to define the key points of our topic, which are agriculture and environment, because these two are very well related. Okay, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops, and raising livestock. While the environment is the surroundings or condition in which a person, animal, or plant lives or operate. Okay, so let's go through the first benefit of agriculture on the environment, which is agriculture has a role in the water cycle. So basically, plants and trees in agriculture system help to retain and add water to underground aquifers. This process is most effective when the crops being grown are perennials, that continue to grow every year and have deep, well-established root system. Examples of some perennial plants grown on farm is fruit trees, olive trees, and grapes. A successful strategy that has been applied already by our ancestor is to plant trees. Bushes and grass mixed together. By combining plants of different sizes, soils are evenly covered and can withstand heavy rainfall without being washed away. This improves soil structure and enables rainwater infiltration. Once water enters the soil, it passes through different soil layers all the time, getting rid of pollutants until it reaches groundwater reservoirs perfectly clean and safe for us to drink. Together, they act as an important buffer in the landscape, preventing flooding, reducing water pollution from agricultural runoff, and preventing soil erosion while providing us with nutritious food at the same time. Additionally, water also can be conserved. Modern farming methods such as strip or no-till, dry farming, and planting of cover crops significantly reduce the need to supply water to land or crops for their growth. According to researchers from UC Davis, cover crops such as rye on organic farms are able to retain 50% more rainwater and reduce surface runoff by 35%. The higher the water content in the soil, the less irrigation is needed during spells to preserve crop, which saves significant amount of water over the long term. So, for the second benefit, I will pass on to Iza. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Norizzah binti Rosle with my matrix number 203247. Today, I'm going to present about the benefits of agriculture on the environment. First of all, I want to thank you, Sophie, for sharing your interesting information. So, let's move on to the next point is agricultural creates habitats. Agricultural systems work in harmony with nature such as organic or biodynamic farming that create natural habitats. For example, open meadow habitats are important for species like waterfowl and for pollinators. Therefore, some species even increase in number due to agricultural activities. Wow! For instance, one such species is the North American white-tailed deer, which does very well in open farm field habitats. Furthermore, it also maintaining land for agricultural use. This is to prevent the land from being developed in areas where native species have difficulty finding original habitat. For example, from the United States Department of Agriculture Farm Service Agency has created 7 voluntary land conservation programs for this purpose. The programs aim to protect the native species and conserving soils by taking the land out of agricultural production. Wow, that is the good idea. Aha! You guys must be wondering why agriculture biodiversity is important. So let's check it out. Firstly, it provides people with food and raw materials for products. Secondly, it performs ecosystem service such as soil, water preservation, and soil fertility, which are necessary for human survival. In conclusion, let me sum up my main points. The agricultural sector is of vital importance for the region. It is undergoing a process of transition to a market economy for productive and supply set-ups, as is the case with all other sectors of the economy. Therefore, agriculture does not have to harm the environment. Yay! In the words of the poet George Washington, agriculture is the most helpful, most useful, and most noble employment of man. That's all from me. Does anyone have any question to ask? No? Alright. Well, that's it from me. Thank you. Bye.